Hello everyone, today we are going to install JDK Java Development Kit on Windows operating system. So let's start. Go to the browser and type JDK download. Here you will see the Oracle official website. Click on this and you will be landed over Java download page. Now scroll down. Here latest version of Java is available. Click on Windows tab and download x64 installer for 64-bit Windows from here. I am not installing it because I have already installed JDK on my system. After the download is complete, proceed to install JDK. Once the installation is complete, we have to set the environment variable path. For this, first go to the C drive, then program files, and then Java, and then this JDK folder and bin, and copy this path. Then on taskbar, type environment variable, click on this. Under the advanced section, click on environment variable, then in system variables, click on path, click on new, and then add your JDK bin path, and then OK, and then OK. Then check the Java version. Again go to taskbar, type command prompt, and then write down Java space version. So here you will see Java 21. Java is installed. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe to my channel Microcode Library and hit the bell icon to get updates.